Hello, everyone, and thank you so much for tuning in to another episode of Uniquely Tay. In today's video, I'll be showing you my fall coffee bar. This year, my theme is all apples. Apples are just an essential part of fall to me, and I wanted to share with all of you this coffee bar. Enjoy. If you're new here, I am Tay of Uniquely Tay. I do DIYs, home decor videos, shopping videos, tablescapes, fake baits, and much more. If you like videos like these, you're in the right place to be. So make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe so you will always know when I upload my latest video.